Welcome to today's video, where we step into the world of luxury and artistry like never before. Handcrafted timepieces are more than instruments that measure time. They are masterpieces worth millions, carrying history, craftsmanship, and innovation within every detail. From rare materials to intricate mechanisms, these watches represent a fusion of art beyond function. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or simply curious, you're about to witness elegance at its finest. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more. Number 5. Rare materials. When it comes to handcrafted timepieces worth millions, the use of rare materials plays a crucial role in defining their value and exclusivity. These watches are often designed with elements that go far beyond traditional stainless steel or gold. Luxury brands incorporate flawless diamonds, colorful sapphires, emeralds, rubies, and even meteorite fragments into their creations, transforming each timepiece into a wearable masterpiece. Precious metals such as platinum, rose gold, and titanium are carefully selected not only for their beauty, but also for their durability and resistance to wear. Some high-end watches even feature dials made from rare stones like onyx or lapis lazuli, which give them a unique artistic character. These materials are not just decorative. They symbolize rarity, wealth, and prestige, making the watch a statement of luxury. Collectors often view such pieces as more than functional accessories. They see them as investments and works of art. The scarcity of these materials ensures that only a handful of people in the world can own such a masterpiece. This combination of craftsmanship and extraordinary resources elevates handcrafted watches into a realm where they become more than timekeepers. They become timeless treasures. Number 4. Master craftsmanship. The true essence of multi-million-dollar timepieces lies in their master craftsmanship. Unlike mass-produced watches, these creations are the result of countless hours of precision, patience, and artistic skill. Each component, often no larger than a grain of rice, is carefully designed, polished, and assembled by hand. Watchmakers dedicate months, sometimes even years, to produce a single piece, ensuring that every gear, spring, and jewel aligns flawlessly to maintain accuracy and longevity. Beyond functionality, craftsmanship reflects artistry. Intricate engravings, enamel dials, and hand-painted details transform a watch into a wearable masterpiece. This level of dedication cannot be replicated by machines. It is the watchmaker's steady hands and trained eyes that bring life to the mechanism. Furthermore, many luxury watch houses pass these artisanal skills through generations, preserving centuries-old techniques that modern technology has long abandoned. The pursuit of perfection drives artisans to inspect every detail under magnification, leaving no flaw unnoticed. This extreme devotion to detail is why handcrafted timepieces are celebrated not just as luxury accessories, but as symbols of human creativity, persistence, and precision. Master craftsmanship elevates a timepiece from a simple instrument of timekeeping to a priceless work of art. Number 3. Limited editions. Luxury watchmakers understand the power of exclusivity, and limited editions perfectly embody this concept. When a brand produces only a handful of a particular model, it instantly creates rarity, driving collectors and enthusiasts to compete for ownership. Limited editions are often tied to special events, collaborations, or historical milestones, making them not just timepieces, but also pieces of history. Each design element, from the dial to the case engravings, is carefully chosen to highlight the uniqueness of the edition. Because these watches are produced in such small numbers, they become highly sought after in the secondary market, often reselling for several times their original price. For many collectors, owning a limited edition watch is not just about telling time, but about holding a symbol of artistry and status that few others possess. This scarcity fuels demand and cements the watch's value as a long-term investment. Whether adorned with rare gemstones, featuring experimental designs, or commemorating a milestone in horology, limited editions remain the crown jewels of the watch world, representing both exclusivity and prestige. Number 2. Timeless heritage. Luxury timepieces are more than just instruments for telling time. They carry the weight of history and tradition. The heritage of renowned watchmaking brands plays a major role in their appeal and value. Some of the most iconic watchmakers trace their origins back hundreds of years, preserving techniques and artistry that have been passed down through generations. This legacy builds trust and admiration among collectors, who see each piece as part of a larger story. A handcrafted watch from a brand with centuries of heritage is not only a functional accessory, but also a symbol of cultural continuity. Every intricate detail reflects the mastery developed over time, from precision engineering to classic designs that remain relevant across eras. Collectors value this timeless connection, as owning such a watch means becoming part of a tradition that transcends trends. The watch serves as a bridge between past and present, blending innovation with age-old expertise. This deep-rooted heritage sets these timepieces apart from mass-produced alternatives, ensuring their enduring prestige. Ultimately, the legacy of these brands enhances both the sentimental and financial worth of the watches, making them treasures cherished for generations. Number 1. Investment value. Luxury timepieces are far more than instruments for telling time. They are assets that can appreciate in value over the years. Collectors and investors alike view handcrafted watches as secure investments because of their rarity, craftsmanship, and historical significance. Unlike mass-produced watches, limited edition or unique pieces retain a strong demand in the secondary market, often fetching higher prices than their original retail cost. The artistry and exclusivity tied to brands like Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Richard Mille ensure that their watches not only maintain, but frequently increase in value over decades. Additionally, timepieces associated with famous personalities, events, or collaborations become even more desirable, turning into cultural icons. Much like fine art or rare cars, these watches function as tangible stores of wealth that can be passed down through generations. Investors are drawn to their ability to combine beauty with financial potential, making them both wearable art and strategic assets. In many cases, rare models auctioned years later break records, proving that the world of horology has a thriving investment market. Ultimately, a handcrafted timepiece is not just about luxury. It's a statement of enduring worth that continues to grow as time itself moves forward. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of handcrafted timepieces worth millions. These watches prove that true artistry stands the test of time. If you enjoyed exploring these masterpieces, make sure to like, share, and continue supporting the channel. And most importantly, remember to subscribe.